Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add local songs to Spotify on Windows. So firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's an address bar, type down spotify.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage of the Spotify, you need to click onto your profile in the top right corner here. And from here, you need to go to the setting. And from the setting here, you need to scroll a bit down until you get this library and select this import library here. So over here, what you need to do is you need to select this get started. And over here, you can also search for the services in order to transfer your music to Spotify, or you can simply click onto this upload file here, and you can simply click onto this upload a file again. So from here, what you can do is you need to simply drag and drop the file. Once you open this, you can click onto this here and simply drag it over here. And after that, you can follow the on-screen instructions. That is how you can add local songs to Spotify. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.